Hi viewers, today's video is about how to replace the water drain pump of an automatic washing machine. First, remove the back cover of the washing machine. Once the cover is removed, you'll see a black colored pump at the bottom of the machine. This is the drain water pump, which is responsible for draining the water. Next, trace the wires of the drain pump and disconnect them, as these wires are connected to the machine's main wiring. Here, the light blue and orange wires are coming from the drain pump and are connected to the main wiring with wires of the same colors. Disconnect these two wires one by one. Then remove all the screws from the pump to detach it from the machine. Now we have two pumps. As you can clearly see, the body of the old drain pump has developed bubbles due to overheating, which caused the pump to burn out, and the new pump that we purchased from the market. So we will remove the front propeller from the old pump and install it on the new pump. Since the screw holes on the new pump are slightly different, we need to reuse the old propeller. Before installing the old propeller onto the new pump, make sure to clean it thoroughly. Once cleaned, install it onto the new pump in place of the original one. Then cut the wires from the old pump and connect them one by one to the new pump. To secure the connections, protect the wire joints by adding heat shrink sleeves. Now the pump is ready to be reinstalled into the machine. Before reinstalling, slide the black rubber sealing ring onto the propeller to prevent any leaks. Reinstall the pump into the machine, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. Finally, reconnect both wires to their respective terminals. Connect the orange wire to the orange terminal and the light blue wire to the light blue terminal. Protect the joints with heat shrink sleeves for added safety. The newly installed pump is now ready for use. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.